I'm Frankie Celenza, Emmy Award winning tastemaker.
I'm Chef Sammy, and I love to cook. Sometimes I make empanadas with my abuela.
Today, Sammy is gonna watch a recipe video, and then she's gonna explain to me step by step how to recreate it in her eyes.
So first they have like white stuff. It looks kind of neat. They're scooping it, and then they're putting lots of yummy stuff. I like to make that. I hope Frankie's a good listener.
Hi, I'm Frankie. What's your name?
Sammy, nice to meet you.
I know you can't tell me what we're making today,
I know.
but I know you can tell me the steps.
Yes.
What do you think we need?
We'll need sugar and baking soda. And then cocoa powder.
Okay.
First, we'll need to put in this.
Baking soda from the bottom. There it is.
Okay.
So hold on, no! Wow, that's a lot, Sammy!
We need a lot.
I think that's enough.
Then I think we'll need over here.
Okay, some cocoa powder?
Let's see.
Do you remember if there were any measurements? Man, you're the boss.
I told you.
All right, and some sugar.
Yep.
What do you think?
Okay, put too much.
Well, you put a lot of baking powder. I gotta balance it out somehow.
Now, do we have a mixer? That's the kind. We're gonna take it and start stirring it.
I mean, this I can mix by hand. Is there something else that we're mixing?
Let me go check. Oh, berries and cream. That's great.
There's mint in here, Sammy.
Oh, cool.
Do you think we need it mint?
I guess.
Oh.
First, I think we'll need some cream.
Okay.
Okay, that much.
Is there whipped cream in this recipe? Because this plus this equals whipped cream.
Okay.
You ready? We're gonna whip it.
Yep.
Okay, watch your fingers.
Whipped cream. Spatula.
What happens to whipped cream when you mix it too much?
Nope.
Sometimes it turns into butter.
We don't want that to happen.
Nope.
Now we need cookies.
How about these chocolate wafers?
Yes, that's exactly what we need.
Great.
Do we have a plastic bag?
Here, why don't you reach in and put in some cookies?
Some cookies. Now let me grab the rolling pin, and then it's gonna crush up into big little pieces.
Can I give it a try?
Okay, that's great.
Thanks.
Okay, we're gonna grab the smushed ones and put it in until I say stop.
Okay.
And then we're gonna grab the melted chocolate and pour a little bit until I say stop.
Okay.
Then we're gonna do the same thing with this, then this, then this. Then we're gonna do something special.
Okay, so here, let's pour a little in.
We're grabbing it
Okay.
and putting it in.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, stop. Let me get a spoon so we can be neat here.
Okay.
You want to do it or you want me to do it?
Me, because I got the boss
Okay.
job.
All right, all right. All right.
That's enough.
Okay,
Now
that's
more
nice.
cookies. Okay, now we'll put more in.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll put more cookies. Okay, now we'll put just one more scoop. More.
I know. You got to use the side of the spoon so you can get the chocolate. You do this.
Fabulously delicious. Now one more scoop of cookies. Okay, first we're gonna put some candy rocks. Here they are.
Like this?
Yes.
So we're putting the rocks on here?
Done.
Okay.
Now we're gonna need gummy worms.
I have those right here.
Oh, great.
Like this, sticking out on the sides?
There. That's good enough.
Okay.
Now we'll need mint.
Ooh, really? Like a tree, just like that?
Yep.
Wow.
We'll need some berries.
So we're putting blackberries all the way around?
Nope, just a couple.
That's really pretty, Sammy.
Now, I think there's one last thing.
What about all that whipped cream?
That's what I was just gonna say!
Oh, great. What are we doing with it?
So, we're gonna grab it. Grab tiny spoon nice. We're gonna take it and put some whipped cream anywhere. Okay, one last thing. Do you see these little holes?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna stick these in all around because it will look nice if it's all around. I mean, gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Okay, now after that, maybe we'll need some of sprinkles.
Okay, you're gonna sprinkle it from up high?
Down low, put your hand in the middle and wiggle it like so.
This is very nicely decorated.
Thank you. That's why I'm the greatest artist, food artist. Frankie, before I tell you what this is, let's clean up this messy mess.
No problem. So here's ours, Sammy.
Mm-hmm.
And here's the video you watched. What's this one called?
Timon and Pumbaa grab dirt cups.
Do you think Timon and Pumbaa would like to eat this?
Yeah, so Timon and Pumbaa love worms and bugs.
You want to try the original one first? How is it?
Not horrible, but a little bit great.
I'll be Timon and you can be Pumbaa.
I'm Timon, you're Pumbaa.
Sounds good. You ready to try ours?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It has a lot of baking soda, but that's okay. How do you think we did?
Amazing. This is more fancier than this.
How do you think I did as a cook that was following your directions?
Well, Frankie,
Yes.
the thing is, you kept laughing. I really like your laugh. I kept laughing. I really like my laugh. And I was thinking that you did a great job as being a good boy. And I think I'm gonna give you a prize. Close your eyes. Ta-da!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, you know what? I had a lot of fun cooking with you, Sammy, and I think ours is more beautiful than the original, too. So it's a win.
We did it.
We did it.
Now we do this. Okay, now wash the cup because it got a little bit of that.
Okay.